there. You may call me Miss Introvert, and here on this channel we write, we edit, we learn, and we grow, and I'm growing right along with you guys, so we're all in the same boat. As some of you know, I have a self-published debut novel coming out on October 30th, and I am so excited to continue documenting the process and sharing it with all of you guys on YouTube. I'm also obviously excited to introduce you guys to this world that I've created. But I've had a bit of a change in my life as of very recently, and I've decided to post videos on YouTube once per month as opposed to weekly. Why? Because I've started grad school! Yay! And also no! Mostly yay! But I still want to continue pumping out YouTube content for you guys, and it will only be once a month, but that means that my content will be a little bit longer. The quality will be something that I've been working on for a very long time throughout each month, so that I can give you guys the best content possible with editing that I take my time with, as opposed to editing that I get done in a week, which is honestly enough time, but with work and school and videos, I just don't want to give you guys quantity over quality. It'll still be on a Wednesday, so look forward to whatever Wednesday of the month I choose. The next video will probably be somewhere very close to my book release date, so keep an eye out for that. But you can always check me out on my Instagram and my TikTok, since I am always active on those platforms, always making content, and I will be experimenting more with YouTube Shorts and trying to add unique content to each platform that I'm on. But I am most active on TikTok, so hit me up there. Once I find more time, I will definitely continue this YouTube journey with you guys in full force, because I'm still continuing it. It's just gonna be once a month. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I hope that you guys enjoyed our little writing summer that we got to have together. I thought it was so fun to just say hi to you guys again, tell you guys about my experiences with poetry and self-publishing and visiting the writing mind again. I definitely want to make really good quality videos that take a month long to make to give you guys an awesome writing mind video. Also hope that you guys are enjoying the anticipation of my book release. It feels like Christmas. I know I'm enjoying it, so stay excited for that. Again, if you're interested in ARC reading and you want a free copy of the book, there is a Google form down below that you can fill out to become an ARC reader. If you don't know what that is, there is a description in the Google form. I hope that you guys are having a lovely day, and good luck to you all on your writing endeavors. Also, if you guys have any suggestions on what you guys want me to do for each of these videos, or what you guys think I should do for YouTube Shorts, please comment them down below. I would love ideas. Thanks for watching, and stay basic. Okay, bye!